All right, guys, buckle up. This case is everything. A missing father, a mother fighting for support, and a new wife stepping into courtroom drama. But here's the twist. The dad doesn't even show up. What happens when love, money, and betrayal collide in front of a judge? Let's dive into this explosive hearing.
Miss Vanderbilt?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damian, I'm actually bringing him to court.
Right away, the judge wants to know why the father isn't here. Instead, his wife walks in. Thing about that, he owes 3 years of unpaid child support, but he sends his new wife to handle it? Would you call that confidence or complete irresponsibility?
Okay, that's great, but why are you here?
Because he's out there building the bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is his child, right?
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. You're going to help him just right. All right. So
The judge quickly shuts down the wife's excuse, saying this has nothing to do with her. And honestly, she's right. No matter how much money is being made overseas, you don't get to skip your responsibility as a parent. This isn't about bridges. It's about a child.
Just for that?
80,000 just for that?
Yeah, it's very important.
Oh, very important, right. Okay, according to what you submitted on his behalf, he makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
It sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
When the wife casually admits he makes over $100,000 a year, jaws drop. Imagine that. 6 figures rolling in, but nothing going his own son for 3 years. That's not just unfair, it's heartbreaking. Do you think income should automatically mean higher child support, or does effort matter more?
Okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
I was saying he cheated on me with her.
Are you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know, because
you know what? You're going to have to get over it because this...
And here comes emotional bombshell. The mother reveals she was cheated on and that the father had kids with his new wife. The courtroom erupts in tension. Betrayal, resentment, and financial neglect all mixing together. Can you imagine the pain of facing that in public under oath?
Based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. Why?
The judge makes a bold move here. She rules that the father will pay child support based on the wife's own testimony about his income. By stepping in for her husband, she actually sealed his financial fate. Talk about backfiring. Would you have spoken up if it meant costing your partner money?
Served to be here today. He failed to show up. And unfortunately, he's going to have to be in default, which means that I can honor her request to make him pay child support. Please, don't look confused. It kills me when you come on here and you show up for him. This has obviously nothing to do with you, but you want to show up in his place and then look confused when he's ordered to pay child support based on what you...
The father is officially in default for failing to appear. Legally, that's devastating, because it strips him the chance to defend himself. It's a clear reminder. Skip court and the judge decide without you. Simple as that. Do you think he underestimated the system or just didn't care?
$1,000. I have his gross at $8,666.67, net of $6,525.63. Who pays health insurance for?
I do.
How much do you pay?
For both of us, $300.
No, ma'am.
For him, $150.
Yes, for him only $150.
Numbers don't lie. The judge breaks it down. Over $6,500 in net income, $150 in insurance, and more than $1,100 a month owed in child support. That's accountability finally catching up. But it also begs a question. Why did it take a courtroom battle to get here?
Judge.
Wait, you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go. But anytime he calls, she never picks up. He's like, where is he? Never hear from her. He really does try.
That's the problem.
I
should have to call him.
Excuse me. You will not do that. You will not.
The wife tries one last offense. claiming he always sends money and makes an effort. But here's the legal truth. Any cash or gifts outside of court orders don't count. They're considered gifts. That loophole shocks a lot of people. Should the law recognize informal support or keep it black and white?
He needs to.
Well, he needed to be here as well, didn't he? But he thought the bridge building was more important.
Well, yeah, he has to support me and my family as well.
Right, but his son is also his family as well.
The judge doesn't hold back, reminding everyone that building bridges in Italy is no excuse for neglecting your own child. And that line cuts deep. His son is also his family. It's a brutal but necessary reminder that priorities can't be outsourced.
So you might want to learn how to blend a family, okay?
Oh, I know how to blend.
Oh, you know what? Is there anything further?
No.
As the tension winds down, the courtroom is left with one undeniable fact. A child's needs must always come first. No matter how messy adult relationships get, the law zeroes in on protecting the kid. And in this case, the father's absence spoke louder than anything.